Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make soup tomato easy method. Start by preparing tomatoes, onions, garlic, and vegetable stock, and heat a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the onions and garlic until translucent, then add chopped tomatoes and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Simmer gently for 20 minutes, blend until smooth, return to the pot, adjust seasoning, and serve hot with bread or a drizzle of olive oil. To deepen flavor, roast or pan-char some tomatoes to develop caramelized notes before simmering with stock and aromatics. Stir in a splash of cream or coconut milk near the end for a richer body without overpowering acidity. Brighten the bowl with fresh basil, a small drizzle of good olive oil, or a tiny splash of balsamic vinegar to lift flavors. Taste and adjust salt and pepper just before serving for best results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, even by a steamy pot, and it fits in a kitchen drawer for convenience and portability. I find it handy when trying new methods and keeping notes without splattering paper. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your tomato soup with bread, grilled cheese, or a sprinkle of herbs to add texture and contrast. When storing, cool the soup to room temperature before sealing containers to avoid excess moisture and food safety issues. Refrigerate leftovers for up to 4 days or freeze in meal-sized portions for up to 3 months, labeling with the date. Reheat gently on the stove or in the microwave, stirring occasionally to retain smooth consistency and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.